Alright, 10.1 definition, scatter plot. Now, up to this point, all of our data has been either raw from one source, or we've had a class list with frequencies. Now we're going to look at something a little bit different. It's when you're trying to relate two different random variables to each other. Now, if we have two different variables, we can graph them on an XY plot, and each pair of data points will have an X value and a Y value, just like we learned in algebra. Now, when we look at our scatter plot, sometimes the data will look like it's going up as we move from left to right, as if there was a line running through it, which we'll talk about more in 10.2, and that would be a positive slope, a positive correlation between the two. As our X is increased, our Y is also increased. But just the same, we can have a line that goes down. Right, so we have our data and it looks like it goes down. Or we could have some other weird shape. So imagine kind of a U shape of dots and a parabola goes through it. So there's different types of scatter plots, and when we look at the data, we like to describe it as such. Mainly our focus is going to be on linear relationships, but when you take econ or other business classes, there's other things you may do where you want to adjust your scales to accommodate that.